Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. What do you think of this tabletop? You know, I use a piece of paper, and this is a smaller piece of paper, and this is a piece of watercolor paper. I think this stops too much reflection of the light from the old tabletop. What I'm talking about. Let's have a cup of tea, and this is a non-eventful afternoon, and I just wanted to be, don't get it dirty, I just wanted to be quiet and comfortable and do a looser unboxing. I bought this. I like this color. I always buy this color. And I am kind of not creative in choosing color, but this makes me feel at home, feel comfortable. So I will keep on using it. Ooh. How do I open it? Seems, oh, okay, got it. Ah, from here, that is quite smart. Oh my goodness. That is actually a very smart way. Walking on eggshells. This is walking on eggshells. Why it has such a name? And so this is something one for all. Only missing one thing is that little applier. And I like the color. Let's do a zoom in. Let's take a look. Look at the glittering. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I like to see. Are we in the right zone? So this one is glittering. This one is pinkish glittering. This is a tiny bit little glittering or matte. And this one is the white kind of highlight. Everything is a little bit glittering. I like it. Let me try on my hand to see if the color is right. Oh yeah, this can be used for eyebrow, right? Perfect. I love it. I will do a makeup with it. Actually, I just feel that it is good that we will do make it a little bit ceremonial. It does not cost much, but nonetheless, it gives me not at all any less of pleasure and joy of opening up anything. This is the joy of opening it is nothing less than opening up $1,000 something, which will never happen to me. I will never open up something of $1,000. I do not spend that much money. So the other day, my family has a end of the year party, company party, so I went there, and I did the makeup. So I was thinking, end of year party, maybe I do some makeup. So I actually used the foundation, and to my realization, I do not have any sponge. I use the makeup they provide, a little bit small, teeny, tiny little piece of sponge, and that's it. And never use anything that is easy to use. So this time I want to buy something for myself. Then I did it. Here it is. I think I can open it without damage. So the other day I opened it up. My family immediately say, "Oh, eggs!" I never thought about using it as an egg container. So they have several different colors. On top is all this a little bit matte, transparent, and the bottom, some are pink, some are green, some are blue. And I choose this all transparent because I want to use it for putting some art supplies, for pencils and things. And originally, I went to the store. I wanted to buy only one because I only use one. I have one face. I do not need more than one, right? I do not want my small home become stacked with things. But this one, I found it has 8 and it has container. So I decide to buy it because I can reuse the container. There are other things that made of also plastic, but very thin, filmy plastic container. It's kind of just wasted. But this one, see, I can use it. I can use it for egg. Oh, I can put some small water or, yeah, and put some treasure things. I was thinking use this as a pencil box. It will be quite. Oh, I like it. Right? If you can make things double use, triple use, or multiple use, that is a smart thing to do, I think. Kind of like it. Good. Oh, no, this way. Oh, no, this way. Oh, actually, put eggs. You know, my family are all, I live in a household with only boys. One big boy, 2 of my sons. Oh, this is cool. So that is it. Now I can use it. I need to share with you. I like this color, pinkish, violet, violet, lavender, and yeah, I like this color. Have a cup of tea and get myself ready for my day. You have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Goodbye, bye. This is so silly, this video. still, I need to show you my origami. This is art teacher, everything recycle. So this one is old, not old. This one is you get in the mail some advertising, real estate magazine, those things. So I cut them into origami size, and also I have my hand cut origami paper. Here are some of it. So I was thinking, should I try to put it on my Etsy shop? And finally I decided it does not hurt to put, to give it a try. You like it or not is your decision, but I put it or not is my decision. Put it or not is my decision, right? So I decide to put this origami paper on my Etsy shop. I hand cut it. Each one is hand cut. It's usually it's almost 100% accurate, with 99% accurate, I will say, or 99.9% accurate. I cut this paper, and the paper is 25 colors. Let me show you the origami I made. 25 colors, this kind of very bright color, because the color bright is actually stronger. This paper is stronger, and use this kind of paper to make origami. It stands. It's very easy to use, but these paper are not so easy to fold. So I will have these two pieces of tools. I use it all the time. These two origami tools plus 100 sheets of this paper, or maybe 200 sheets of this paper, smaller size and larger size, on my Etsy shop if you are interested. Anyway, let's have a cup of tea. This is honey bush tea from South Africa, and it's mild, teeny tiny little bit sweet, not sugary sweet. It's just the sweetness of tree, of I don't know, the sweetness of the plant. It's very, very, very tender, very mild, and there is teeny tiny little bit of interest or zin. How do I say it? In chrysanthem tea. It's chamomile, chamomile, chrysanthem. It's very mild. There is, you feel almost there is nothing spice up. And this one has a teeny tiny little bit acidity or sweetness, spice up. I love it very much. And I put a link on my description so that you can see a little bit better of this. You have a beautiful, beautiful day. Art teacher, recycle everything. You have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I love you. Okay, so here is the paper. It's relatively strong. You do need to use this tool either this way. Sometimes I use this way. Sometimes I use this way. And there are this large size origami paper and small size origami paper. Yeah. This is a letter size. I cut in half, or I cut into 4 pieces. Bye bye, friends. Bye bye.